today in this video we will show you one of best water flossers for teeth by Ovonni. But before we start, please subscribe this channel and hit bell notification icon for more videos. After meal, food becomes lodged between teeth and within crevasses in the mouth when brushing cannot remove it. This causes plaque and decay. The Ovonni water pick helps to flush the debris from your mouth, gets all the nooks and crannies super clean. Improving bad breath, gum swelling and pain, and bleeding gums, periodontal pockets, especially for people who wear brace. Let me show more features of this amazing product. Ovonni Water Flosser comes with 7 interchangeable jet tips for teeth, braces, and bridges. Teeth flossers cleaning powerfully lift food debris, soft scale, and bacteria and removes bad breath. Ovonni Water Flossers for teeth with 1250 to 1700 times per minute's water pulsation could powerfully remove up to 99.99% of food debris. Provides excellent water flossing performance to improve oral health. This teeth cleaner with professional adjustable 10 water pressures design, from 30 to 125 psi for a custom clean. Get your gums adjusted to the Ovonni's pressure gradually. Comes with 600 milliliters and provides 120 seconds of uninterrupted dental flossing water tank. Double sealing rings to prevent water leakage efficiently. Water flosser. 360 degrees rotatable tips design can reach to areas that are hard to clean easily. On-off switch on the handle for flow stop at any time. Oral irrigation. The covered reservoir stores your jet tips in the unit for easy access and dust-proof perfectly. Let me show you how you can use this Ovonni water flosser. First, fill the water into water tank. Now put it back. Put tip storage cover on it. Install the tips you need. Press the pop-out button if you need change the tip. Place the tip in mouth and aim the tip toward teeth. Turn the pressure control dial on the base of the unit to the lowest setting for first-time use. Gradually increase pressure to the setting you prefer. Turn the on and off switch on the handle to start clean your teeth. That's it. Hope you like this video. Please share your feedback in comments and also visit product official page. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit bell notification icon.